So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to generate a PayPal donation link. So first, you need to access any search engine or web browser. But in this case, I'm going to use the Google Chrome because it is very convenient in my end. So after that, you'll be able to use the search bar and enter for paypal.com. Once you visit their site, you need to access your account by entering your correct credentials. And as you can see, I am accessing my account. So you will see this page if you already access it. So after that, you'll be navigating to the request button or under the send and request section tab. Once you click on that, you will see the more ways to request right here, which is once you click on the request section, which is here. So you'll be able to pull money and then start fundraiser, create a seller profile, and many more. So when you click start a fundraiser or pull money, you'll be able to generate the PayPal donation button. But in this case, we are using the personal PayPal. So you just have to upgrade or update into business profile in PayPal so that you could access the pay buttons and generate the link on your PayPal. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.